tea, guys. As you can see, that's beautiful flowers. Today, guys, is a beautiful day. There. I live just close to the road. That's why right there is a traffic light. So the bus is just going past there. So that's a bus. So this is a busy road, and going that there top of the hill, that is a going highway going to the big city in Edmonton and Calgary. So I'm just only live in a small city, so very convenient this my area. Now today, guys, I will bring you tutorial to my MyraMix urban gardening. So you can have some plants even you just only have a small space. So all you have to do, just do what I did, guys. So I will be sharing it to you guys to my urban gardening. So let's begin, guys. So this one, guys, all my petunia that is I planted in the hanging planters, so I can hang anywhere, so to maximize the space. There, this one, the small one planters, guys, see, you can hang anywhere. And another one here, so to maximize your small space, guys. So even you don't have much plant, at least you have some. And on top of my wood plant box, guys, that is my Roma tomatoes. Look, guys, so there, and still lots of flowers, guys, there. Then down in here, guys, this is the strawberry, guys. I already shown this my YouTube channel to make your own planters if you have a small space. So look at that, guys. Oh, flower strawberry there. So it's late now, guys, because it's been raining in here, guys. So the summer here is not lots of fun because lots of rain. So because the strawberry, guys, they like a super hot weather, so they can give you keep giving you more fruits there. So this one, guys, is a green leafy vegetable, one of the superfood, that is a charred, guys. You can eat this raw, as make a salad, and you can put in the soup, any dish that you are going to cook, you can mix this, guys. So that I just plant in the container, guys. So I just put down here at the bottom of the plant box, maybe wood plant box. So I've been harvesting here, guys, many times. As you can see, ang dami ng mga pinutulan, guys. Then they just keep giving you new. Then my herbs, guy, that one is a chives, guy, there. So I don't need to buy. And this one is a curled parsley, there, curled parsley. And another curled parsley, guys, there. See, it's just a cute planters box, guys, that I can bring inside. And that's another one, guys. This one, guys, in one plant box I have 3 different kinds of herbs there. This one, another parsley, they call this Italian parsley. The other one, this one is curled parsley. You can see the difference of their leaves. And this one is oregano, herb oregano, guys. And this is thyme. That is thyme. And here is my tomatoes. They have 2 different kinds of tomatoes. This guy, the one is the big one, they call that red beef steak. This is not meat, guys, okay? And another one, guys, a cherry tomato, there, small. That one is the bigger one there. ready to harvest now, guys. There, so you can see, guys, they're turning yellow now, the leaves, because it's already start cold during the night and in the morning, early in the morning. So still lots of you know, guys, ando daan sa taas, ayan, just only 2 trees this, guys. And this one is a basil, guys. Look there, basil. So you can see, guys, they're turning yellow now down the leaves here because it's fall month now here in Canada. And this one, guys, is stevia. Here you can grab some leaf and you can mix to your tea. Yeah, that's stevia, guys. And here, guys, another herbs. It's another hanging planters, guys. See, I just hung to maximize the space. And this one, guys, have 4 different kinds of herbs. This one is common herb oregano. There, common herb oregano. They're having flowers now. I need to cut it. And this one is basil, guys. Basil, another basil. And this one is rosemary. That is rosemary, guys. And that's a thyme also. So there's a yellow there because the weather is turning cold now. So in one plant container box, I have 4 different kinds of herb, guys. Up here is a mint. Here is strawberry mint. You can also mix that, guys, in salad. So that's my solar. I have a solar light, guys, during the night. It's beautiful, that. So here another, guys, tomatoes. The purpose, guys, why I planted into the hanging plants, because I can bring inside this one. So winter time I have tomatoes. That's aroma tomatoes, guys. And another is strawberry, guys. Look, still having. So I already harvest a couple times this, guys. And that one too, it's a strawberry too. There, that's hanging also, guys. So there, and they're having flowers too. Yeah, so that's strawberry. Down here is a green onion, guys. That one, this is new, guys. That's why you can see still baby, and that one is already grown up. Down in there, guys, my few flowers. I grow that from seeds, guys. They call this Calendula. And that one is African Marigold. I bought it that when they are sales. That. Then another one, Calendula. I grow that from seeds. This one. So to, you know, to not spend a lot of money for buying flowers. So I grow that from seeds. There. So you can see, guys, some is already look, you know, turning yellow because the weather now is changing now, guys. So and down in here, guys, that another petunia, and this one is, they call this geranium, and that is lilac, Asiatic lily. So they're changing now, guys, kasi it's turned to cold now in here. This is they called morning glory. So there, that's why next week, guys, I will bring inside now all my plants. And I have a cute eggplant, guys. Yan na lang natira, guys, because I've been harvesting that twice there. So some, you know, because it's been raining, you know, guys, they couldn't continue, namamatay. Ayan. So, ito na lang ang natira guys. Super cute. Ayan, mga flowers pa yan guys na natapos na mamulaklak. But, I will keep it inside the house so they can continue to having a flowers. So, that is a solar lights. And another petunia. There. So, that's it guys. So, this is where I live guys. I'm close to the road, so that's why it's early in the morning is already going crazy there guys. You can see there's a stoplight right there, and the bus is just keep going back and forth there, and that top hills, that's going to the main highway there. So this is my neighbor guys, wall to wall. Some of my neighbor have a fence there, so mine is open. You can see there. So that road there is small road there guys. That's what I like to go for jogging, walking there. So this is my place where I live guys. So that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching guys. So kahit maliit lang guys, remember guys, even you just only have a small space where you live, you can still plant some flowers and vegetable, herbs. Just do what I did guys there. So bye guys, hope you enjoy guys. So see you on my next video. Bye guys, God bless us all. I love you all. Bye guys.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.